Shanti and I'm here for you with a quick tip on working with our Garnet Glow essence. So Garnet Glow is from our color line, and it's based on the ancient system of Ayurveda and color therapy, which hails from that tradition. Red is the color of your blood, of circulation, and so when you're working with this essence, it's really good to work with for moving through energies of stagnation. For that reason, it's part of our jet lag kit, and so it's really good to work with when you're traveling, when you're sitting in a car or an airplane for long hours and things start to get blocked. And you can work with it by spraying it over all the main points we normally recommend, which would be forehead, temples, front and back of your throat, but also your heart center, right? Because that's where your main circulation area is, your legs, feet, and arms, right? Your extremities, because that's where things tend to get blocked or stagnant. It's also really good to use over the holidays. It's one of our holiday features. We recommend pairing it with either emerald light, garnet glow, or white light, frequencies of white light, because it is a time of year that can get a little heavy for some people, and it can get very overwhelming. And for that reason, working with this essence helps keep you in the flow and moving through things, inspires passion, motivation, and action. And so it's a really good essence just to stay on track and motivated. So that is our frequency of Radiant Red Garnet Glow Master Essence. Thank you very much.